Hello students, chapter triangles, exercise 6.5, and this is the question number 15. This is very important question of chapter triangles. So in an equilateral triangle ABCD is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Yes, so this is we need to prove, and we have given with BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC or BC upon 3 and 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, that we need to prove. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a triangle. Okay, so let ABC is an equilateral triangle. So ABC, we have an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle it is given, and we know that in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal to S, and D is a point on BC. So this is very important information, and it is given DB or BD is equal to BC upon 3. So students do the most common error, they take the D point in the middle of the equilateral triangle on the base. No, DE is any point that is the 1/3 of the BC. So it will be here. Yes. So because it is given, so it is D point. Yes. Now it is BD is 1/3 of the BC, and we have to prove this. So what we have to do, first of all, we are going, this is a figure that is given to us. Yes, according to the question. Now given ABC is equilateral triangle, yes, and the second thing that is given to us, that is BD is equal to BC upon 3. Yes. Now to prove, we need to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Yes. So what we have to do, we have to do few construction. Yes, to prove this construction, what we are going to do, we need to draw a perpendicular from the vertex A to on the BC in an equilateral triangle that is given to us ABC. So I am making the triangle here so that it will be easy to see what is given. Again I am making this triangle ABC to make it clear. ABC, and this is the D point. This is the D point that is given to us. Yes. So what is the construction that we have to draw? We have to draw a perpendicular from A. While doing construction, we have to do it by dotted line. Yes. So this is L. Yes. And this is perpendicular. Now the very important thing regarding the equilateral triangle is this: when we draw a perpendicular from any vertex on the base, so it will behave as a median also. What do you mean by median? Median that divide the base divide the base into two equal parts, or we can say that bisect the base. Yes. So here AL is bisecting BC. Only this property is applicable only for the equilateral triangle. When we draw an altitude or a perpendicular, it will also behave as a median. Yes, or we can say a perpendicular in an equilateral triangle always bisect the base. So this is the information that I am going to write for you. So first of all, we have to draw AL perpendicular on BC, and the information that we must be carry with this question, and always in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular always bisect the base. So if we see here, the two information now we have, that is BD is equal to BC upon 3, that is given to us. Yes. And BL is equal to CL, and that is equal to BC upon 2. Yes, this is the most important information that we have got here. Yes, since BAL is an perpendicular. Yes, so now we are going to start with the proof. First of all, we have to check what we need to prove. So we need to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So from that, it is given us idea of what two triangles that we need to take. So for AD, we need this AD we can get from only triangle ADL. Yes, and AB we can get triangle from ABL. Yes, because AB is behaving as a hypotenuse in triangle ABL and AD is behaving in the triangle ADL. Nothing more we need to take this triangle or this triangle. So what we need to prove, just give us idea which are the triangles that we need to take. So this is the information that we have to carry with us, and if we use this now, taking triangle first of all, that is ABL. Yes, this one ABL. So we have got AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square. Yes, from this triangle ABL, we have got AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square using Pythagoras. Now we can see here triangle ADL. Yes, AD square is equal to DL square plus AL square. Yes. Now in triangle ADL, AD square is equal to AL square plus DL square. This is the third equation. Now if we see here, to prove we don't need AL. Yes, we don't need AL here. So we are going to remove this AL and AL from these two equations, or how we can equate with this. Yes. Now we can write equation number second like AL square is equal to AB square minus BL square. Yes, and here from this equation number third, AL square is equal to AD square minus DL square. Yes, so if we see these two equations, both are equal to AL square, so we can equate right hand side. Yes, so equating RHS now we have got AB square minus BL square is equal to AD square minus DL square, or we can write AD square minus DL square is equal to AB square minus BL square. Why I have written this? Because in to prove we know that AD square is in the left hand side, or we need AD square in the left hand side. Yes, so now we can write AD square is equal to AB square plus DL square minus BL square. Yes, and if we see, we need to prove only 9, we need only AD and we need only AB. Yes, now if we see the figure, what is DL? DL is BL minus BD. Okay, what is DL? BL minus BD. Yes, so instead of DL, because we don't need DL here, so we are going to write instead of DL BL minus BD. Okay, so AD square, we are not going to touch this, we need AD, we need AB square plus instead of DL we are going to write BL minus BD whole square. Remember, we have to put whole square, not BL square minus BD square. That will make your question wrong. Okay, now AD square, AB square, and here we are going to use the identity, that is BL square plus BD square minus 2BL into BD and minus BL square. Yes, So we know that using the identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Yes. So now AD square is equal to AB square plus BL square plus BD square minus 2BL into BD minus BL square. So this BL is cancelled out with this BL. Yes. Now if we remember what is BD, BD is equal to BC upon 3. Yes. And BL is BC upon 2. Yes. BD is BC upon 3, that is given to us, and BL is BC upon 2 because we know that perpendicular bisect the base. Yes. So we are applying these two things. AD square is equal to AB square plus, instead of BD square we are going to write BC upon 3 whole square, because BD is equal to BC upon 3. Yes. Minus 2 BL is BC upon 2 into BD is again BC upon 3. Yes. So now we have AD square is equal to AB square plus BC square upon 9, and this 2 will be cancelled out, minus BC square upon 3. See, BC will be square upon 3. So AD square is equal to AB square plus, we are taking LCM here now, BC square minus 3 3s are 9, so 3 BC square. Yes, clear? We have taken LCM for this. Now AD square is equal to AB square plus minus 2 BC square upon 9. Clear? Minus 2, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So now we are taking 9 to the left hand side. Yes, so 9 AD square is equal to 9 AB square, because we can't take it directly, we have to take the LCM. So 9 AB square minus 2 BC square. We know that since it is an equilateral triangle, so AB is also equal to BC. Yes, AB is equal to BC and it's equal to AC because it is an equilateral triangle. So instead of BC, we can write AB square. Yes. So 9AD square is equal to 9AB square minus 2AB square, that is equal to 7AB square. Yes. So now we can write 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, that is required, that we need to prove. So hence proved. I hope it is very clear to you. So thank you, students.